you for tuning in DigiNews. I'm your host, Layla. In this August, DigiwinSoft has a lot of activity in Southeast Asia, and that's all about their new intelligent manufacturing solution. First of all, DigiwinSoft will launch a new product in Southeast Asia this year. On July 29, Consulting Director Nguyen Hoang Dung was honored to receive an invitation to attend an event named Confirming the Pioneering Vision of the Digital Factory, organized by the National Innovation Center NIC in Can Tho City. And in this event, he talked about the current situation by manufacturing enterprises and also the smart factory model. His sharing received much positive feedback and was reported in the local news. Not only the manufacturing management solution for the large enterprises such as MES, SFT, and ERP, Digiwin software also provides cloud solutions suitable for SMEs. We have Charles Huang from Digiwin AIoT division to introduce the highlights and features of this solution.
Okay, our AIoT cloud solutions use the mobile app, cloud, IoT, sensor, and AI technology. Also the data from ERP or MES system. We call it IoT and OT visions, just as you see. With the mobile app, you can easily monitoring the equipment, motor speeds, temperature, OEE, or energy consumptions. Our AIoT solutions support many kinds of protocols. You can just plug and play. Also, we provide many subscription models. You can lower your initial cost. Our solution support any kind of enterprise, especially for small and medium enterprise. Let's start your AIoT digital transformation journey today.
Thank you, Charles, for the explanation. Next, DigiwinSoft is committed to providing customers with high-quality solutions, while their employees are the core of excellent service. DigiwinSoft always cares about its employees through different emotionally supportive activities. You can see the photos here. The birthday party of Digiwin Thailand, the OKR staff training camp of Digiwin Malaysia, and the company trip of Digiwin Vietnam. This summer, they went to Nguyen Hoang City, one of the most famous landscapes in Vietnam, and had a wonderful time there. Thank you for watching and see you next time.